Okay, welcome back to this episode of this video, which we are still teaching on how to register a business name. In our last video, we show you how to make payments for name reservation on CSE platform. So now we are to show you what to do next after name reservation and your name has been approved. So let's take, for example, this is our dashboard, and then this ACNC/ means that the name, they have not made payment for the reservation, and then the name has not been used for registration. So we are not going to use that. So but we will try and check a name that has been approved, but they have not yet registered it. So you go down and check for business. You can see all this one that is used. That means application has already been submitted. That is why it showed use. That's why I showed use. The application has already been submitted. So application has already been submitted. So we are looking for the one that they have reserved but they have not used it. They have reserved but they have not used it. Whether we are going to have that. Okay. Almost all many have been used. So we are going to go ahead to use this company limited to show us practical. So you go with this, the name has been approved. So you go to business registration, click go to business registration, you click. Availability code has been used. Oh, the person has already submitted it. So let's check this one whether it's going to be able to allow us to use availability code is wrong. Okay, what we had to show you on this video was that once the name has been approved, just come to name reservation here, and then click on the business name and come to this action button. Once you click, if the name was approved like you see here and then they have not used it and there was a business name, just click. Once you click, go to business registration and then fill the details that is required from you accordingly. Once you fill it, at the end of the form filling, you are going to request your name, your passport and your signature. You upload it, make the final payment, and then that is out to make a business name registration. I believe in this video you have learned from the starting level on how to register a business name till this point of conclusion on how to register a business name. So if you have any question to ask, feel free to ask the question in any of our channel that they're watching us from. And also remember to subscribe to our channel, Facebook, YouTube, and any of the channel that you might be. Thank you and bye. Remember to share the video with other people that will be useful for them. Bye.